Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Kraken step by step in the simplest way possible. Now that you already know what to expect from Kraken's crypto fees and limits, let's jump straight into the main topic. How do you actually move your crypto from one exchange to another? For this example, I'll be transferring ETH on the Ethereum network, but the exact same process worked for most other cryptocurrencies too. Just make sure the asset and network match on both platforms. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, click Transfer in the top right corner, then select Deposit. Choose Crypto and pick the asset you want to deposit. Next, select the network you want to use. Read the message, click I understand, and continue. Now, copy the deposit address that Kraken generates for you. Keep that address handy because now we switch over to Binance. Log into your Binance account, hover over the wallet icon at the top, and click Overview to open your portfolio. Click Withdraw, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Paste the Kraken deposit address you copied earlier, make sure you select the same network you chose on Kraken, enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Withdraw. Review all the details carefully, then click Continue to confirm. And that's it. Your withdrawal should show up in Binance's recent withdrawals shortly, and after network confirmations, it will arrive in your Kraken account. Quick reminder before you go, always double check the address and the network because crypto transactions can't be reversed. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments what exchange guide you want to see next.